with joy. Well, cooking is simple. Do you know in the 1800s, Italian immigrants to the Americans brought back these wild squish now called zucchini. Zucchini is rich in vitamin B6 and A and C, and we want to share this delicious and simple recipe, zucchini pasta. You will need 2 fresh zucchini, 1 tablespoon of butter, no salt, 1 clove of garlic chopped already or powdered, 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of parsley, salt and pepper as you wish, 1 spiralizer to make vegetable noodles. Turn zucchini into noodles using the spiralizer. Add butter and garlic powder into your pan. And set on low heat. Add salt and pepper. Then add your zucchini noodles and stir it. Mix well for 60 seconds. Remove heat, add Parmesan cheese and parsley. And mix. You can add any toppings and serve. Don't forget to support us on buymeacoffee.com. Link will be on the video. We hope you enjoy this recipe. Please click the like button and subscribe and click the bell icon for notification. Thank you and see you next time on Cooking with Joy.